In today's digital world, writing isn't just about putting pen to paper. It's about using technology to produce, publish, and share our work in creative and dynamic ways. From word processors and online collaboration tools to blogs, multimedia presentations, and hyperlinking, technology has transformed the way we write and communicate ideas. In this video, we'll explore how to use technology to draft and format writing, collaborate with others online, publish and share writing in a meaningful way. Before we dive into examples, let's break down some key terms related to digital writing and publishing. Word processing and formatting means using software like Google Docs or Microsoft Word to draft, format, and edit text efficiently. Collaboration and sharing means working with others, using tools like Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, or real-time editing features. Publishing and linking means sharing writing through blogs, social media, websites, and including links or multimedia for a richer experience. Now, let's see these concepts in action. Let's start with the basics. Word processing. Imagine you're writing an essay for English class. Instead of using pen and paper, you type your draft in Google Docs. You use spell check and grammar suggestions to catch errors. You format your essay using headers, bullet points, and font styles for clarity. You use comments to make revision notes or receive feedback from your teacher. With word processing, you can edit efficiently, save your work automatically, and easily revise without rewriting everything by hand. Now, let's take it a step further, collaborating with classmates. Imagine you and your classmates are working on a research project. Instead of meeting in person, you create a shared Google Slides or Microsoft OneNote document. Assign sections so each person contributes. Use real-time editing to leave comments and suggestions. This way, everyone can work together, even if they're in different locations, making group projects smoother and more efficient. Finally, let's look at a real-world example: publishing a professional piece online. A student journalist is writing an article about climate change for the school website. Instead of just posting text, they add hyperlinks to credible sources for readers to explore further. Embed images and videos for a more engaging experience. Use interactive elements like polls or infographics to engage the audience. By using technology, their writing becomes more dynamic, interactive, and informative, helping reach a wider audience. Technology has changed how we write, publish, and share ideas. Whether it's drafting an essay, collaborating on a project, or publishing online content, using digital tools makes writing more efficient, interactive, and accessible. Here's a quick recap. Word processing helps with drafting and formatting. Collaboration tools allow for real-time teamwork. Publishing online expands your reach and impact. As you continue writing, explore how technology can enhance your work and make your ideas stand out. The best writing doesn't just inform. It connects, engages, and evolves with technology.